let's make some charro beans. So I have soaked these pinto beans overnight, and we're gonna fill the jar half full of beans. It's about a cup. Okay, now we're going to divide 2 onions between them. Now we're going to add bacon pieces. Just bacon that I've thawed out and cut up. So we're adding a little bit of bay leaf.
And they say that they're bitter, but honestly they're really not. I mean, I've never had one go bitter with the bay leaf in it, so we're going to do bay leaf.
And we're gonna add a half a teaspoon of onion powder. I'm getting low on onion powder.
Gosh, I hope I have enough to do this.
Okay, now let's do half a teaspoon of cumin.
That smells delicious. Put half a teaspoon of cumin in each one of these.
And now we'll do a teaspoon of Mexican oregano. Now I've taken the Mexican oregano and put it in a mortar and pestle and just mushed it up.
Let's see, a teaspoon. I'm just going to do a half a teaspoon because we are not huge oregano lovers around here.
Now let's do a teaspoon of chili powder. And 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder.
And
2 tablespoons of crushed tomatoes. And then jalapenos. So these are jalapenos out of my garden from this year. So I'm just going to use those. Then we're going to do a half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Calls for black pepper as well, but I don't think I'm going to add black pepper, not with the jalapenos. I like spicy, but my family will have a heart attack. Now we're going to the minced garlic as well. Sheesh, yes it does. We're going to get the boiling water. Okay, water's boiling. Let's fill some of these up. Okay guys, it's the next morning. The charro beans are all done. They turned out great. I had some beans left over last night, so I just grabbed the Instant Pot and I made a batch of these in the Instant Pot, so we're eating those now. But 14 pints, all of them sealed. I did have some siphoning, I knew I was going to. But they look great, super excited to get those on the pantry shelf. If you want the recipe, I'll link it below. And what do you think about taking the rings off? You know, growing up, my mom and my grandparents never took their rings off. I mean, I can see why they do it, you know, false seal, but I don't know. I guess times change and things change, but let me know down in the description box if you guys used to take your rings off. Okay, thanks for watching.